Fuller lips are in trend these days. Most of the women want plumpy and pouty lips. They look extremely attractive. While not everyone is blessed with naturally fuller lips, there are a lot of easy and natural ways, so anyone can get those plump full lips in no time. Not everyone wanna get scary injections into their lips. Not everybody can afford the cost and maintenance. Here are some natural and safe tricks to get fuller and bigger lips naturally. Brushing and exfoliating. First step should be the brushing and exfoliating. Gently brush off your lips with a baby brush. You can use sugar and water mix. It will clean the surface of your lips and increase blood circulation. This process makes your lips look fresh and plump. You can also use Vaseline or honey while brushing. Ice cube massage. Simply grab an ice cube and rub or massage your lips with the cube. Rubbing your lips with an ice cube can not only help you flake off those dead cells, but also increase the blood circulation, making them light, smooth and fuller. Do this just a week and you will see the results. Olive oil massage. Olive oil is full of antioxidants and hydrating properties. At night time, apply some olive oil on your lips and massage them softly. Massage your lips for 4 to 5 minutes. Your lips will absorb the oil. Do this daily before going to bed. Cinnamon and Vaseline mixture. Add a tablespoon of Vaseline and a pinch of cinnamon in a bowl. Mix them well and apply the mixture on your lips. Let the paste work wonders on your lips for 10 minutes. Rinse off with plain water. To get good results, try this twice a week. Overline your lips. The trick is to put on concealer before your lip color to blur the line between your lips and your face. Apply your go-to concealer to your lips. Then trace slightly outside your natural lip line using a lip liner. From there, just fill in your lips with matching lipstick or just use the liner for your whole pout. Keep hydrating. When your body is dehydrated, your lips may look dry and colorless. Make sure to drink loads of water. Hydrating is not only good for your body, but it is also beneficial for your skin and lips too. Try these home remedies and post your comments to help others too. For more health and lifestyle videos, subscribe to this channel.